going, Dib?
I don't know.
You've forgotten, haven't you?
I forgot.
Going to Sarah's ma.
Going to Sarah's mum. Yeah. See a moose.
One day, if we're not too late, but we'll make it.
See a moose.
See Moo Moo. So we're going to go there. What's the time now? It's 10:11. We're on our way.
Wolfie's on the watch.
Wolfie's on the watch. And we're on our way. So, Mum's already in the car. Let's go and see Mama and Tommy. And drink. I'll have a drink. You can stay here.
You can go and drink.
Oh yeah.
You drink every night.
Hey doll. I said that. So we're sitting here now waiting for the ferry. We've driven up from Heinz's. We made good time until we got here.
We've still made good time here.
And then we're
sitting here in good time.
To go to Sarah's mama, have fika and coffee, and then go home.
They pushed in.
And have a good time. Are you excited, D-Bro? You've never met her mum before.
Nor have I.
Haven't you?
No.
I thought you did once. Oh no, she didn't see us that time.
When she learned I was here, she left.
She ran away. No! And Sarah's excited. Are you excited, Bear?
I'm
She's
excited.
asleep.
I'm asleep. I'm over planning. I just want it to be next week and that.
It is next weekend.
Yeah, next weekend.
The wedding is next weekend.
God, you guys are going to get stressed out as the days get closer and closer.
I'm not stressed at
That's
all.
what happens.
Oh, get on with it.
Planning a
Yeah,
wedding.
this morning when the breakfast cereal.
Oh,
Did you
I
know?
literally
It'll
just
be
woke up.
fine.
It was
It'll
30
all work
seconds
out.
of work. You know what? Tomorrow I'm going to wake you up with
fine.
water, punch you in the face, and be like, "You've got to get up now. You got 5 seconds to
I let
to
you.
eat."
I let you both sleep
And I'm
for
like,
another hour.
I'm
You
worried
didn't.
that it's going to be cold and you're
Yes, I
going to
did.
freeze.
Yeah, I need to talk to them about that.
Anyway,
Yeah, both slept on.
But anyway,
you snore like
it'll be fine.
a hammer hitting lead.
There you go. That no sound at all then.
Did you sleep with your earphones on?
Nah,
No?
I was too tired. I passed out.
Yeah, well,
So this is our second day at Heinz's house.
Second day.
second night.
Second night. And tonight will be the third
Hey.
and last. Mum's in her little suite.
And I've
She can
measured.
shut the door and forget about us.
Forget about everybody.
And I've measured the whole thing off my little house. And there's a car that's late. Damn.
It's
They're
always
gonna miss
one.
it. They're going to let him on. Okay. They'll let him.
He's late. He should have left now. No, he
Oh,
just
there
shut the
he is
gates.
now, yeah. Must have been his brother. You feel really cool if you just arrived, just got on the ramp and the boat took off.
Do you know how many times we've done that? We're all like the last ones and then it just shut and it took off. Bear, like what, 5 times that's happened?
What?
That we've gotten on the ferry and
Just in
Yeah.
time.
just in time and it's shut
Yeah.
the door and we've taken off.
What does Buster mean? Bastard?
I'll stop.
B-A-S-T-A.
I'll stop.
Where?
Oh, the guy had it on the back of his shirt. He just got in the car. We'll see him when he's on the ferry, I suppose.
Tell him to get
We're
out.
not allowed any car.
You know, oh, you can.
You
but
can.
There's no time.
No
It
one
takes
does.
37 seconds. All right, well, we're on our way to Mama and Tommy's. So, hey, door. Vamos, bra, hey. So, where are we, Ma? We're at Gitan and Tommy's. Hey, fat boy, where are we?
We're in Switzerland.
With all the Swedish flags around.
Ah, the
Oops.
Swedish Switzerland.
So we've just been
Switzerland's
sitting up
again.
here having coffee and tea and admiring the view. And then we're going to go down and have some more food and coffee and tea again.
Are we?
Yeah, that's all we're doing. Coffee, tea, food, tea, coffee. And just chilling.
It's great.
It's actually beautiful weather. So it's 7 days until we get married. I hope it works out well. I am praying to God that this weather lasts till next week. Every day. Rain except the Saturday can be fine. So that's what I want. So we're just chilling in the sun on an Australian winter's day, but a Swedish summer day. and Mama's having fun. Fat Boy's having fun. Faffy. Anyway, having good. So. Hey, door. Hey, door.
What did it say?
Hey, door.
Oh, you've got heaps to do.
Alright, so we're about to fly Tommy's drone.
Yeah, you can put that on.
It's a DJI. We can put a GoPro on it as well.
Yeah.
Oh, are you? Okay, make
It's
it
the same
bigger.
camera.
Same GoPro.
This week,
Bigger wings,
the first place. So you
bigger blades.
No, bigger blades. So body's
Yeah.
windows we're going to change for new ones
Change
because
them,
it's
yeah.
so old and
Yeah, yeah.
nothing.
Good remote. It's very sleek.
And we
Yeah.
saw it out. So
Yeah.
you can have
It's
a big
easy to use.
Much easier. Much easier.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, and then
Flies well though, look at it.
it goes to
Yeah.
Yeah, quite far
So
out.
quiet. Yes.
Yeah,
Ready to start, are you?
yeah.
That tells you all the time.
Wow, the screen's really good. Really clear.
Yeah.
Telling you what.
Oh, lovely.
Oh God, 3, 2, 1 even.
Oh, yeah.
Do you? When we used to fly,
Oh, it's touch screen.
we used to launch, go up about 10 feet, and stop and go over everything. Back, forward, sideways, before we go anywhere. Because I wanted to be sure that it was under control. Goes up well.
It's up there.
Oh, you have to show him the camera effect. Huh?
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah. I can't see it. Directly above you.
Oh, okay.
Here you are, then you're getting further.
So here we are at Mama and Tommy's house. We're flying a drone. Tommy's flying. Dad's telling him how to steer.
How to fly a plane.
And yeah, it's really cool. Mum and Katana just playing.
And he'll put it in tree for you. Okay.
I don't put it in trees.
don't want to have it in the tree.
I'm really good at flying them. Dad's the one that puts them in
But
trees.
when we first started,
It's awesome. GoPro to GoPro.
oh, cool. Almost the same. Well, there's where it was. Yeah.
Meter off. Looks fantastic. Did you record any of that?
No?
Leaving Heinz's house. We're going to Copenhagen today.
See you on Thursday.
We'll see Heinzie on Thursday. Sarah had a good night's sleep,
Oh, better than the night.
and now we're gonna go. So onwards to Köpenhamn via Halmstad, and then squirrels.
Cleaning this out. You see
You're only 5
things
minutes late,
along there.
Sarah. Very good.
That's very good for me.
That's very
All
good.
right, all right. Hey door. Hey door. All right, so we've just rocked up to Halmstad. We just dropped Bear off, and now me, Mum, and Dad are going to wander around, do a bit of the sights, have a look at a few things. There's actually waves here. That's what I'm amazed at. This is normally flat. This is normally flat.
Oh,
Nothing. Not even a skerrick.
yeah.
And there's waves. Yep.
Not Denmark.
That's the other side of the bay. Where those houses and everything were, me and Sarah were. And we were looking this way, and Jesus, it's windy, cold, and just so far. So yeah.
Whoa, DY Beach.
This is DYB. This is the first beach Sarah took me to in Halmstad.
Yeah.
Because
You thought it was a lagoon.
it only gets better from here.
Oh, I'd need a few flags out.
You could surf that.
Yeah.
Not the comfortablest.
Oh, I know, you can put a board on some of those.
That's awesome. Look at that.
Some must be on.
Basin at Long
yeah.
Reef. At Long Reef.
Waves.
Especially in Sweden. Imagine if we get to Halmstad, there's like, I mean not Halmstad, we get to Tula Sand and the waves are
4 foot
8
high.
foot high. Yeah, this is like DY Beach. This is impressive.
No clear water though. Notice the sand is very good.
Yeah.
You want to get in the water?
Yeah, I'll go and have a swim.
It's nice.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
10k, 5k, 7k.
15?
Oh, I don't know about 15.
15.
Let's see how.
Alright, we're gonna go now. Where do you want to go now? Do you want to go to
Other beach.
Soda Pier or do you want to go to Tula Sand?
I have no idea. I don't even know where I am.
You're in Sweden!
And you thought you were in Denmark. Go to.
Have any questions, Faffy?
First, I'm trying to decide the accent. Somewhere.
Australia.
Oh, Australia.
Australia. Okay, that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah.